In this demonstration, we'll be talking through how you can delete files that you've just uploaded to the CluedIn platform. So let's head over to our data sources. You can see that we have 8 total data sources. And let's head under the data section, and we can see we've got this file called products.csv. Okay, you can see as I head over to the full folder that the delete group is actually disabled. And that's because we have to delete all the files within the group before we can actually delete the folder as well. So let's head down to HR, and you can see this also can't delete the folder. Now, if we click here, you can also see I can't delete the data source group. But you can see that under here, if I go to the actual file, I can remove a dataset. Now, this will be disabled as well if we were to actually push and publish this data into the CluedIn platform. And this is because of data lineage reasons. If we've published the data into the CluedIn platform, we need to maintain lineage of where this data actually originated from. So you can see that it's completely fine for me to remove this data set right now because I have not published this to the system. This also means that when I go back to my data sources, that I should be able to now delete the data source, and I should now be able to delete the full group as well. So it's as if we had not uploaded the file to the staging environment in CluedIn in the first place.